Hey guys, welcome to Varu TV Studio. Now in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can use Varu TV for hosting your LMS classes, right? Now the thing is, all of these LMS softwares do have video hosting too, but either they're too expensive or they do not provide you with ample storage. We on the other hand provide you with enough security, storage and cost effectiveness that you can really reap the benefit of this service, right? Plus, we also offer you fast download speeds, upload speeds, easy access, inclusion of team members, white labeling, and customizing each and every facet of your landing page, your video player, and your channel, right? So let's dive right into it and let me show you how Varu TV is the best place for all the educators out there who are trying to get online, right? Let's go. So guys, as you can see, we are on Google Chrome here, and what we're simply going to do is access Varu TV. So as you can see, Varu TV is here. You can easily access this on the link given down below in the description. Also, we have some amazing deal on our paid licenses available right now, as you can see, and more to come. So make sure that you click on the links given down below to avail these amazing offers or be part of our affiliate program that offers you 20% commission, which is the highest in the industry, right? So let me log in right now. As you can see, I have logged in, and this is where you see all your projects. First, let me tell you how simplistic it is, right? It's super simple, super quick and easy to handle all your projects out there. That means whenever you're planning those classes, whenever you're going on, you can just simply handle everything smoothly, right? We also offer you a very easy way to access support if necessary and needed, though you will rarely be needing support. But you must also know we do have a Facebook group for which the links are given down below, and you can easily go there and ask questions, and the founder themselves answer your queries. So yeah, we are a company that is in connect and touch with our users. So let me go to this project here right now. So now this is a Varu TV project. You can edit the project name from here. So let's say we'll make this our YouTube class. Wait, YouTube? Who's using YouTube anymore with all those ads even on small channels? No, it's Varu TV class, right? And we'll just save the changes here, right? So you can sort the videos, you can add videos or audios from here. You can even import videos from YouTube, Google Drive, Vimeo, Amazon S3, Publisher, or any other. All you have to do is add the URL. That's it, right? So that is how easy we make for you to put in the video. You can also request videos, right? So here, let's say you want an assignment to come from your students that you want to display. You can just simply request a video, and this link can be passed on to the students, right? Or added to a click to action button on your landing page, which we will get to in a minute, right? And this would make holding the classes, taking assignments much more easy when it comes to presentations and video assignments, lecture assignments, right? Very easy here, right? But that's not it. Let's just close this. Let's just go here. As you can see, we also offer you a great analytics dashboard, right? You can see the play rates, video views, video plays, right? And the completion rate. Now this is very important because a lot of times you can understand why your classes are working or not working depending on these completion rates, depending on the video plays and play rates, right? Because that is very important. But we go down, and as you can see here, you can customize literally everything it is about your channel, whether it's the logo, watermark. Yes, you can add watermarks so that no one tries to screen record your classes, right? Also, you can add your own CNAME, right? You can select your landing page presets. You can choose the player presets, right? You can even enable or disable domain security. You can enable disable full HD videos. You can enable disable white label. You can enable disable encryption. So as you can see, you can do a lot of stuff, but that's not it. You can also hold podcasts here, right? So you can find all the amazing things here. You can find new artwork for your RSS feed. You can add your own JavaScript code on the page so that when someone accesses your podcast, they are going to see that. And you can enter your own unique URL for the podcast so that people can very easily find you, right? Going to the channel, as you can see, you can have your own URLs and just put it here, and Voodoo TV will make sure that they are used, right? You can add a channel description. Let's say we make video hosting awesome. Please subscribe. See, very simple. Also do that, please. Right, other than that, you can add a cover page for your channel and it will look awesome, right? You can also add a few team members, right? You can invite your team members and their roles will be chosen here, right? You can even invite viewers if your project is private. Simply simple, just like that, right? Let's go back to the project now, because this was just one set of settings available to you. We have much more customization coming up, right? So now, as you can see, I have a theme for my channel. I have a theme for even my video player. The reason being, a lot of time when you're hosting these classes, you have to create a brand for yourself. So you're going to see all these famous online classes have a brand for themselves, have a color for themselves, right? So your branding has to be apt, and we allow you to do that. But that's not it. We also allow you to select a lot of different things, right? And you can even set up chapters. Now this is important, especially for online learning, right? Because this is how students do learn. You know, they pause, they wait, they check out one section again and again, and you want them to allow you to do this, right? So this is one of the simplest ways you can do it. Also, that's not it. You can see what are the links that can be done. You can also get the chapter links, so you can get a link to each chapter here, right? And those chapters can be sent. Let's say you just want your students to see a single chapter, you can just send them that link and that chapter will be shown to them. But that's not it. You can add your own captions. You can even password protect your videos. Let's say you have a premium membership for certain parts of the courses, right? Just add a password and only your premium members are allowed to access it. You can even customize all of these things here, for example quality, or you can just, you know, skip forward, backward can be closed off because you don't want your students just jumping ahead in the course, right? Other than that, on the landing page, you're going to find that there's deep customization here. You can add your description. Let's say you can add a lesson plan or something to brief about the lesson. You can also change the title here. You can add your own logo or disable the logo altogether, right? So the page is clean and beautiful. Or you can add your logo to ensure that people know what the page is, right? You can add your own custom URL here, right? And you can add the number of views that this particular video has received. You can also add a call to action button. Now the call to action button, right, can be totally edited from here, and you can add whatever title, right? Sign up for Voodoo TV classes, right? Simple as that. And you can also customize the layout, the themes, and that's not it. You can add your custom JavaScript code if you want to display something special, something different to your students, right? Marketing, right? Now this is important because you can add polls here so that you can take polls from your student. You can capture the leads. You can create a video funnel to more courses on your channel. You can do a lot of things, right? And you can also download a video. Now this is a protected video, so you can't be downloaded, but obviously you can download it. Now you must be wondering, how do I actually put my LMS videos here, right? There are two ways. If you've uploaded it online anywhere, all you need to do is click here, right? Import the video. Simple. You can import it from anywhere you feel like, right? Because we have any URL import, right? So just add the URL and you'll get it here. Or you can directly upload the file of the said class from here. Let's say this, right? And as you can see, it starts uploading, right? And as you can see, the progress is really fast. That is a 4K video and it's uploading fast, right? So basically, if you are someone who uses LMS, who is an online educator and wants to grow, wants to go ahead, I would genuinely suggest you to check out Voodoo TV. And another major reason why I would like you to check out Voodoo TV is our pricing, right? So let's get on to the pricing here. So as you can see, we are on the monthly billing prices right now. And the free variant allows you to have 10 videos and 1 GB of storage, which is more than others, right? But from our first plan, which is the just $10 a month, you're going to get 50 GB, Can you see the jump here? You're going to get 50 GB. You will have a totally unbranded video player. You'll have the HLS inscription. You'll have domain security, right? Now these things, the remove branding and CNAME, get added after pro and advanced level, and the costliest, which is the advanced level, is still much cheaper than competition when you realize that you're getting 200 GB, right? That is a lot, right? So I would suggest come up here right now before you lose out on offer deals, awesome prices, right? And obviously lose out to your competition, as they might join us sooner than you. So make sure that you are the first one in your competition to sign up, because that will give you an amazing edge, right? Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope I'll see you on Varu TV. See you in the next one. Bye bye.